Okay. What is up, guys? It's your boy Bondo back at it again with another video. It is cold as shit outside. So today is going to be a quick little video where we are actually going to install these canards that I got. I thought they were real carbon fiber and they fucking played me. These are actually plasti dip. So, I mean, that's what I meant. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. So we're going to install these bitches. Alrighty? I'll show you all four of them now.
Yeah, cause I was thinking about getting them shits before.
And they look actually pretty dope, but I think I might get these carbon fiber wrapped once I start adding little carbon fiber pieces. So let's just get straight into it. Hector's actually going to do the installation on this part. I'm going to put his ass to work.
Oh yeah.
Barely.
Nice.
Alright guys, so I made my own marks on where I'm going to do this. And I'm pretty confident it's actually going to look pretty good. Hector held them for me and I was kind of looking at it. At first I'm kind of skeptical because I'm doing a lot of shit to this car that I normally wouldn't do. Just to see how it looks. So I marked them. We're going to get this side started and then we'll get Hector's side done too.
Look at the camera.
Yeesh. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Yeah, you definitely stepped over shit over there.
For real?
Yeah.
What you think right there?
Oh, I gotta see.
Yeah. Alright guys, so it's the final product of what they look like. Bang. Took us a couple tries to get it right. Bang. I think it makes the front end look a little bit more aggressive. Oh yeah. Once I get the hood situated, that'd be another thing too. Oh, it's gonna look so dope. And I actually have wheels on the way as well too. Hey, hey, hey. What are we doing?
Trying to fix this right here, you know. A little body work, you know. Tap it like that. A little more like this. You know what I'm saying? Body. 100%. You feel me?
He's gonna be wire tucking from the fenders out to the back.
Wire tucking in.
Yeah.
Wire tucking and fucking. You feel me?
Tucking in. He also has some brand new mirrors that he got for it. They're exactly like mine. Matching mirrors. Dopey dope.
I'm gonna be driving on this side of the car though.
Yeah, he's trying to go right-hand drive. I don't really care for right-hand drive. My baby look good.
You know that Andrew got into an accident with his right-hand drive DC2 Integra because he didn't know what he was doing?
Yeah?
Fucked around, smashed his shit. But his engine bay is pretty nice. It is shaped though. So that's pretty cool.
I'll shave my engine bay. I've done one before.
I gotta remove all those tabs.
Yep.
Booty booty.
Alrighty, we'll update you guys in a couple.
So you want to build a K-Series, huh? You want to put in one of these? Well, I guess then take the journey with me, because that's exactly what I'm about to do on this channel. I'm going to take this 1993 Honda Civic and I'm going to put a K in it. And then I'm going to put a K in this right here. Oh yeah, big K.
As long as it's a big K swap.
Yeah, it's a big one. K24A2, the biggest one they make.
Cheers.
Alright, so All I did was just sand everything down and put some primer sealer on it. Hi.
Yes, we're adding this to the video. Randy's trash. Now, on the real note though, he's about to paint the engine bay. We got this weird textured paint. It looks like this. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. So it's got like a weird texture to it. We were trying to get the VHT red to put in here, but I think this is gonna look pretty dope. Well, he thinks it's gonna be pretty dope. I was kind of skeptical about it, but see how it turns out.
Got that shit?
Just want something to make a bit more time on my hand than hours in a day.
I'm the first to do it. I don't care what anybody says. Powder coated my engine bay. Wrinkle. What is this shit called? Sea green?
Yeah.
Wrinkle sea green. Powder coated the engine bay. Huh? Yeah, I think I like that. I like the powder coat look.
Ooh, that shit smell. I'm sorry for your loss, buddy. You about to die.
This is dope, yo.
Alright guys, so this is a couple days after. Yeah, a couple days after. The engine bay came out great, as you can see from the picture. I'm sorry it's a little glitchy, I don't have the camera with me. Well, I fucking lied, I didn't have the camera with me. I think I left it at the house. So, as you can see, the engine bay came out really good. It came out super dope. Did the valve cover and the little spark, what's it called? The spark plug cover plate, whatever you want to call it. Did that as well. We didn't record that because he did that way before that. It's nothing really super special. So we just threw that in there. It came out perfectly good. It came out perfect. It just came out so, it looks so good, man. And we've got such a treat coming for you guys, or for you guys. It is just wait. Just keep watching, man. You're gonna see. Just like, comment, and subscribe, man. Share this shit. And I promise you, the content that is coming, son, is about to be something out of this world. Like it's gonna look. I'm telling you, just like, comment, and subscribe, please. Like, comment, be a sub, not a dub. Subscribe to your boy. You know what I'm saying? So on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay.